Secretly recording part 5. I'm really starting to run out of content. Alright, no, but for real guys, I'm starting to run out of content, not gonna lie. I'm running smooth. I was running smooth. Now it's going down. Downhill. Down schmill. Down schmill, down mill. Like Dr. Phil. Wait. You know, I'm just rhyming now. I am actually running out of content. If y'all have anything to say, I'm running out of content and I need some content now. And don't know, I'm not gonna sing Big D Randy or Big Randy. You know, I can't say that word. I know I'm not singing.